Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to save posts on LinkedIn. This is a really handy feature if you come across content you want to revisit later, whether it's an insightful article, a job posting, or just something you find valuable and want to keep for future reference. First, you'll need to head over to your web browser and type in linkedin.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account by entering your email and password. If you're already logged in, you can skip this step and move right along. Now that you're logged in, you'll be on your LinkedIn feed where you can see all the updates, posts, and articles shared by your connections and the pages you follow. This is where you need to locate the specific post you want to save. Take your time scrolling through your feed until you find the post that caught your attention. It could be anything from a helpful career tip to an interesting industry update. Once you've found the post you want to save, look towards the top right corner of that post. You'll notice 3 horizontal dots. These dots are your gateway to additional options for that particular post. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. A small menu will pop up with several options. From this menu, you'll see an option that says Save. Click on it. This action will instantly save the post to your saved items collection. LinkedIn stores all your saved posts in one convenient place, making it easy for you to access them whenever you need to. You can think of it as creating your own personal library of valuable content that you can refer back to at any time. And that's it. You've successfully saved a post on LinkedIn. Now you can continue browsing without worrying about losing track of important content. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.